Have you ever wanted to do some amazing Christmas DIY projects? Well, don't worry, because we're here to show you 10 Christmas DIY projects that are family friendly. Thanks for joining us here on Ready Set Viral. Let's get right into it. Number 10, Christmas tree. For this one, all you need is something that's green and is cloth. Doesn't matter as long as it's green. Start off by folding it in half, folding it again, and grabbing one part of it, fold it, grab the piece behind it, and fold it once again, and repeat these steps. Flip it to the back side and fold both sides to make it into the shape of a tree. Now, with the small bits that remain, fold it up on all the rows. With this result, you're going to want to use something as a stem and then add a star sticker at the top and you should be good. Number 9, Gumball machine. Have a glass ornament just laying around? Well, this DIY project is for you. Take off the lid of the glass and fill it with some small colorful cotton balls. Place the lid back on and grab a small plant vase and paint the whole thing red. Now, get a soda can lid on it to represent the twister and hot glue the top piece and the glass onto it. Now it can be used as decoration. Number 8, pasta snowflake. Grab some penne pasta and glue some together. The shape of it? You'll want to make sure it's in the shape of a Christmas tree star. But you aren't done. Just the borders, now you have to work on the inside. Just start gluing the insides until you're confident that it looks like a snowflake, and when you're done, start painting all of it white. It should give it a good look. Make sure to do this on both sides and grab a ribbon and tie it to where you think you can hang it on a Christmas tree because it's an amazing decoration. Number 7, giant Christmas ornament. Grab a ball that nobody uses and place a sticker on the sides of it. Paint a bowl silver, poke a hole, and tie a string to the hole. Glue it on the top of the ball and now it looks like one giant Christmas decoration. Number 6, a bunch of Christmas bulbs. Grab a clothes hanger wire that's metal and start pulling on it and stretching until it's in the shape of a Christmas ornament. Start putting Christmas bulbs on the wiring. You should put a lot on there, and once you do, it should look insane. Number 5, a trap for Santa. Let's leave a trap for Santa. We know the classic box trap for people, you see it in cartoons. A box leaning on a stick tied up, and once they go to the target, you pull and they get caught. How are you going to get Santa footprints? Simple. Pour flour onto a pan and spray some water on your shoes so it'll stick. Put the bottom of the shoe onto flour, it'll stick, and start printing it on the floor to make it look like footprints. It looks so cool to add some Christmas spirit. Number 4, Santa plates. Grab a paper that's as long as a bookmark and grab a ruler and draw a line. Give a squiggly line in the middle, and once you're done with that, cut it out with scissors. Now go ahead and make Santa's face with anything you would like and glue it on. Now they can be used for anything when hosting a Christmas dinner and a cool way to celebrate. Number 3, snowman. Grab a sock and tie a string in the middle and cut with scissors where the string is. Fold up the sock a ton of times, pour rice into it, and when it's full, tie the top of it, and the middle. Add a winter cap to the top, some googly eyes, and the rest, do whatever you want to complete the look of your snowman. Number 2, Santa on a tree. Grab a clothes hanger and carefully cut in the middle of the bottom. Bend it to where it looks like legs. You'll see why. Grab a small pair of pants and put them on. Now you see where we're going with this. Grab some stuffing, put it in the pants, and grab small socks and put them on the pants. It should look like Santa's lower half, and now you can hang it on a Christmas tree. Number 1, Christmas themed chocolate. Once you have chocolate on a pan, put it into the oven, and once it's done, it should be melted. Stir it around so it could be the way you want and add a bunch of snacks to make it like human characteristics. And once it's done, it should look very cute. Well guys, that's all we have for you on Ready Set Viral. If you enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much as this one. And we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video.